Are you a UAE resident looking to visit Canada for a vacation or business trip? If you have recently applied for a visa and were unfortunately rejected, don't worry, you're not alone. Many applicants face the disappointment of having their Canada tourist visa application from UAE denied, often without understanding the reasons behind it. In this video, we will explore some of the top 10 reasons for Canada tourist visa rejection from UAE and provide tips on how to avoid them in the future. 1. Incomplete or inaccurate documentation. One of the most common reasons for visa rejection is incomplete or inaccurate documentation. It is crucial to provide all the required documents in the correct format and ensure that they are up to date. Make sure to carefully review the checklist provided by the Canadian Embassy and double-check all your documents before submitting your application. 2. Insufficient financial resources. The Canadian government wants to ensure that you have enough funds to cover your expenses during your stay in Canada. If your bank statements or financial documents do not demonstrate sufficient funds, your visa application may be rejected. Make sure to provide detailed and accurate financial information to show that you can support yourself during your trip. 3. Inconsistent travel plans. Having inconsistent or vague travel plans can also lead to visa rejection. You should have a clear itinerary for your trip, including your accommodation arrangements, transportation plans, and activities you will be doing in Canada. This will show the visa officer that you have a specific purpose for your visit and are not just going to Canada on a whim. 4. Lack of ties to home country. Visa officers look for applicants who have strong ties to their home country and are likely to return after they visit Canada. If you cannot demonstrate strong ties such as stable employment, property ownership, or family commitments in the UAE, your visa application may be rejected. Be sure to include any relevant information that shows your intention to return to your home country after your trip. 5. Providing false information. It is important to be honest and transparent in your visa application. Providing false information can result in a permanent ban from entering Canada. It can be anything like personal information, failing to reveal past visa refusals, and lying about past criminal activity or convictions. 6. Previous visa rejections. If you have been rejected for a Canadian visa in the past, review the reasons for rejection and address any concerns before reapplying. To avoid future rejection, you must know the reasons for your past rejections and improve on that part of your application. Each case is unique, so the reason can also be. That's why you must thoroughly check the reason behind visa rejections in the letter by the embassy. 7. Lack of travel insurance. It is recommended to have travel insurance to cover any unexpected medical expenses or other emergencies during your stay in Canada. If you fail to attach travel insurance with your application, or you have insufficient travel insurance, it may result in visa rejection. It's better to keep an eye on the coverage you will get while choosing travel insurance. 8. Previously overstayed visa. If you have a history of overstaying visas in other countries, this can significantly reduce your chances of getting approved for a Canadian tourist visa. Be transparent about your travel history and provide explanations if needed. If for any genuine reasons you had to overstay in any country, you should mention such and also attach supporting documents if any as proof of your reason to overstay. 9. Having criminal background. Having a criminal record can lead to visa rejection. Be honest about any past convictions and provide relevant documents, such as police clearance certificates. Along with the visa application, it is crucial to submit a comprehensive criminal record check and any documentation supporting rehabilitation efforts. Seeking legal advice to address these concerns and presenting a convincing case for rehabilitation is essential for a positive outcome. 10. Failure to meet health standards. If you were suffering from any health issues, applicants should provide a detailed medical history, including vaccinations, and undergo any required medical examinations. Attaching a letter from a certified healthcare professional affirming good health will inform the visa officer about your eligibility to travel. Timely completion of medical examinations and accurate documentation are key to overcoming this obstacle. Now you know the common reasons for Canada tourist visa rejections from UAE. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can avoid them and increase your chances of a successful visa application. Remember, a visa rejection is not the end of the road. By taking proactive steps and seeking guidance, you can increase your chances of a successful visa application.